RecipeCraft. How to play. There are two types of cards, recipe cards and ingredient cards. Shuffle each deck of cards separately. Dealer deals 7 ingredient cards to each player and places the remaining ingredient cards face down to make a draw pile. One card from the draw pile is turned over to begin a discard pile. Place 4 recipe cards faced up at the center and keep the remaining recipe cards aside. The player to the right of the dealer goes first and play proceeds in anti-clockwise direction. For each player's turn, he can either pick a card from the draw pile or from the discard pile. After picking up the card, the player can create recipes which are available in the center. The ingredients required to create a particular recipe are given at the bottom of each recipe card. To create a recipe, player has to discard the ingredient cards needed to create that recipe and take that recipe card. Then player must draw equal number of cards from the draw pile which were discarded to create the recipe. At this point, no new recipe cards are to be revealed, but the player can create more recipes if he has necessary cards. If the player can't create any more recipes, he has to discard an ingredient card to end his turn. At the end of each player's turn, if there are less than 4 recipe cards at the center, then new cards from the recipe deck are revealed until there are 4 recipes at the center. There are 2 special cards, wild card and skip card. Wild card can be substituted for any ingredient to create a recipe. When a player plays the skip card, he could call out any other player of their choice to skip. The called out player will skip their next turn. If the top card of discard pile is skipped, player has to draw from draw pile only. Each player's score is the addition of all the points written on the top right corner of recipe cards which were collected by that player. First player to reach 37 points wins. Thank you.